Yeah, just in about the last 5 minutes, we actually have a tornado warning that's out for parts of Franklin and Scott County. Let's go ahead and get to it on our live Viper HD. Again, these storms developed around 3 o'clock this morning. Now they're racing to the south and east, and we're dealing with, again, that severe storm around the Scott County, Franklin area, and northern portions of Scott County. Actually, it's out of Frankfort, and it's moving into Scott County right now. And, of course, we are continuing to track this storm. It's heading towards stamping ground right now, and with the tornado warning, of course, what this means is you need to get in the lowest level of your house, whether it's a basement or just the first level, and make sure you get into an interior room without any windows and also without any outside walls. So a closet, a bathroom, something of that nature is the best place to be under a tornado warning. And this is actually Doppler indicated, and what that means is we're actually seeing some twisting of the winds. You can see here with this signature, wherever we're seeing the red and the green, the couplet together, so just north of stamping ground, that's the area that is Doppler indicated of a tornado. Now, we're not getting any ground reports with this. Of course, it's too dark to see much of anything right now since the sun hasn't come up, but still we are dealing with Doppler indicated just as severe and just as strong as anything we could see on the ground as well. So definitely take shape for this as it continues to push to the east, and it is moving east fairly rapidly at 50 miles per hour. And if we put a track on this for you, of course, this will definitely affect parts of Scott County, heading into even Bourbon County possibly here in the next little bit. So we'll continue to track this. Let's go ahead and show you the most severe part of the storm as it continues to push to the east. And again, it's moving at 50 miles per hour. And Minersville at 535, Skinnersburg at 542, Mallard Point 549. So again, you are seeing some of those neighborhoods in Scott County being affected. So Mallard Point, also Turkey Foot at 556. And again, this warning goes into effect through 545. So the next 10, 15 minutes, be prepared for this. We have even a lot more to talk about because tornado watch is still in effect across central and parts of south central Kentucky until 10 a.m. Let's go ahead and show you that graphically really quick. That tornado watch is in effect until 10 a.m. And the secondary part of this storm is the very heavy rain. We dealt with it last weekend, and now, or at the end of last week into Saturday, now we're going to be dealing with it again today. So I'll detail. I want to pass along some developing weather information. We do have a tornado warning now in effect for Fleming and Rowan County until 7 a.m. this morning. You can see on our live Viper HD, this line of storms continues to push to the east, and we do have that tornado warning that just came out until 7 a.m. for Fleming and Rowan County. This means that Doppler radar has indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado, and this dangerous storm was located near Muses Mill, or 11 miles east of Flemingsburg, moving east at 55 miles per hour. It just passed over you in Wallingford and continues to push to the east. So Muses Mill heads up there in the next little bit. Also around the Triplet community heads up there as well. And of course, this storm indicating some rotation, that tornado warning definitely out. So you need to get to the lowest level of your house. Basement is the best place to be, but if you don't have a basement, make sure you get to the first level of your house and into your room, whether it's a closet, maybe a bathroom, or a closet underneath the stairs. Perfect place to get without any windows and also without any outside walls. You want to be as close to the interior part of your house as you can. As the storm continues to pass over, of course, we are continuing to track this. And these areas that will definitely be affected look mainly into parts of Fleming County and northern Rowan County. And you can see with the storm relative velocity here where you're seeing the couplets of the red, the green around Muses Mill. Also, this could potentially turn into something too. We will continue to track this storm. Muses Mill, Plummer's Landing, towards Ryan. We will see this little cell continue to push to the east. Again, a tornado warning in effect for Fleming, Rowan County until 7 a.m. We'll have more news and breaking weather because we have your commute time. So it's definitely going to be an issue as you're heading out early this morning. Also have a severe thunderstorm warning around the Carlisle area, and that does include northern Bath, Fleming County. That's for this cell that's continued to push towards the east. And this one includes damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. And again, it will be dealing with some small hail and very heavy rains. And a lot of lightning with this storm that's heading into Carlisle and eventually into Flemingsburg. So be prepared for this. Also want to talk about not only with these line of storms pushing here into central Kentucky, we do have, again, a tornado watch out across the entire area. We're talking central, eastern, everyone's seeing that tornado watch out, and that goes until 1 o'clock in eastern Kentucky until 10 o'clock here in central Kentucky. And that line of storms, we're starting to see